You hear it?
Oh, don't do that.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Whether you've been here before or this is your first time, I'm happy that you are here. So as you can see in the title, I made a new vanity, got a new vanity, put together a new vanity. So my old vanity was small and it was super cute, but it didn't have a lot of storage space. And my cousin Rainy, she'd been giving me a lot of makeup, and so I thought, well, I need a bigger vanity. Cause yeah, I'm not gonna keep every single thing, but there's a lot of, stuff, and whenever I do like my emoji looks and things, I need lots of different colors, so hence lots of makeup and stuff. So I needed to redo my vanity, so you're gonna see the process of me, pictures of my old one that I was selling, and then all the bits and pieces I got together to create this new vanity. So I hope you guys enjoy, and yeah, let's go.
This one is so glued down. Now it's open.
Cannot stack them. Don't do that. A screwdriver, and a hammer.
And a hammer?
Yep.
Well, I can give you screwdriver.
Well, I don't know right now. You don't break my stuff.
No, I'm not.
I didn't say anything about right now. Just that's what it says in the instructions.
You should have done this.
Alexa, play Paramore More playlist.
The playlist just a Paramore. Amazon Music.
That's not what I said. not perfect, but it don't look bad. So that was me making my vanity. I hope you liked the video. I hope, you know, if you want to make your own, you get some ideas from it, or maybe you know what you don't want to do, like get a chair that doesn't quite fit in between the drawers, but that's okay. It's fine. It's a free chair. That's what's important. If I was going to buy a chair, I would have bought a stool and like one that probably fits. But again, I wasn't measuring for, you know, that situation. So I don't know, but I like it. It's cute. I haven't actually used it yet because I just got the mirror right now. You probably saw me filming and saw me in this outfit. But yeah, I'm already super happy. It's super cute. The little touch to turn it on and off is so cute, and like it's nice and big. I can see myself. It's great. So I can't wait to film a whole bunch on this vanity. Maybe get some work done. I've got extra drawers where I can put some office supplies and stuff. There's a little girl over there playing around. But yeah, so thank you guys for watching, and hopefully you watch another one of my videos. Bye-bye.
Boy, I see you.
He's a beautiful boy.